Okay, so for part A of problem number 10, we're told we have a total pool of 20 courses to select from. And we need to select 7 of them, 7 courses, and we have a constraint. So the constraint is at least one of the courses has to be a stats course, has to be stats. And we're also told that there are a total of 5 stats courses available. Total of 5 stats courses available to us. Okay. So the question says, how many possible ways are there to select our 7 courses? One way to do this is to break this problem into cases. So we'll say case 1 is that we only select one stats course. So out of the 5 stats courses, we can select one of them. There are 5 choose one ways to do so. And once we've selected the one stats course, out of the remaining 15 non-stats courses, we need to select 6. So that's 15, choose 6. Now, case 2 is out of the 5 stats courses, we select 2. And once we've done so, for selection of those 2 stats courses, out of the remaining 15 non-stats courses, we need to select 5. And same for case 3. So 5 choose 3 times 15 choose 4. Case 4, 5 choose 4 times 15 choose 3. And case 5 is that we select all of the stats courses. So that's 5 choose 5 times 15 choose 2. Now summing these up, so sum them up, we get the total number of possible assignments of these 7 courses, possible selection of the 7 courses, such that at least one of them is a stats course. Now, moving on to part B. Moving on to part B. In part B, we are asked, why can't we solve the problem in the following way? What is wrong with the following logic? So we select a stats course out of the 5, and then out of the remaining courses, we select 6 courses. So it is true that there are 5 choose one ways to select a stats course. That ensures that now we have a stats course, and we have 19 courses left, and out of those 19 we can select 6. The problem is that this calculation overcounts the total number of assignment of 7 courses. Let's see an example of how this overcounts. Suppose we have stat 134 and stat 100 as two of our 5 statistics courses. Now when we do 5 choose 1, the selection out of the 5 stat courses, one selection might be that we picked stat 134, and then out of the remaining 19 we need to pick 6. Now out of one of those 6 that we pick might just be this stat 100. So what we get here is stat 100 and other 5 courses. Now notice that when we were looking at this 5 choose 1, we could have, instead of stat 134, we could have selected stat 100. So this could have been stat 100 here. And now out of the remaining 19 courses, we need to select 6. So one of those 6 that we select could have been this stat 134. So this would be stat 134 and 5 courses, the same 5 courses. So if you look at these 2 assignments here, they're exactly the same, right? The order of the courses in this list doesn't matter. We still have stat 134 and stat 100. they're in different order now in our list. We've selected them in different order, but the ordering in these lists doesn't matter. That is the reason behind. That is the reason this logic here is incorrect. We're in fact over counting the course assignments.